Today, we make history. A day we'll remember for the gifts that fell from the sky. GE Appliances is delivering hot kitchen magic.
It's hot air.
If you purchased a Wi-Fi connected oven in the last 4 years, you could be next. Families around the country will revel in the healthy, hearty tastes of airy goodness.
There's nothing in it, but it's just hot.
Every one of these GE appliances are better when connected. And because they are, you are.
There's nothing in it.
This state-of-the-art delivery will change the way you cook and eat.
There's nothing in there.
It's full of hot air.
How do you get one of these airdrop gifts? Click the link or be left holding the empty box. Looking for your very own hot air? Visit geappliances.com/upgrade.